Imagine a place deep within the earth, hundreds of kilometers below the surface, where molten rock blazes with intense heat and pressure crushes everything in its path. In this extreme environment, solitary carbon atoms float freely, the product of billions of years of geological transformation. Under immense pressure, tens of thousands of times greater than atmospheric pressure, and searing temperatures reaching thousands of degrees Celsius, these carbon atoms begin a miraculous process. Slowly and patiently, they come together, drawn by the invisible forces of nature. Atom by atom, they bond and rearrange into a flawless order, a strong cubic crystal structure. Like tiny bricks set precisely in place, a diamond lattice begins to form, growing bit by bit over geological time. Perhaps over the course of millions or even billions of years, tiny imperfections emerge, minute flaws embedded within the forming diamond, each a unique fingerprint of its long journey. But the diamond's journey doesn't end there. From the Earth's deep interior, it needs a way to reach the surface, and nature provides a remarkable vehicle: explosive kimberlite eruptions. Picture a massive column of molten magma carrying rough diamonds like hidden treasures, piercing through the Earth's crust with overwhelming force. In that violent moment, the diamonds are released from their ancient captivity, thrust upward through ash and shattered rock. They come to rest near the surface, hidden among layers of earth and stone, waiting to be discovered. The story of diamond formation is an epic tale of time, pressure, heat, and the raw power of nature, transforming a simple element into one of the most precious and enduring substances on this planet. Diamonds don't start off dazzling. They begin as rough stones hidden deep within the earth, raw, uncut, and full of potential. But what transforms these unassuming pieces into some of the world's most prized gemstones? The answer lies in the art and science of diamond crafting. Diamond crafting is a meticulous process that combines skilled craftsmanship with modern technology to unlock a diamond's true brilliance. It involves 6 precise steps, each one essential to shaping perfection. Step 1. Sorting the rough stone. After mining, diamonds are carefully examined and sorted by experts. Based on size, shape, color, and clarity, rough stones are classified into 4 types: those ready for minor adjustments, those that need to be sawn, those suitable for smaller cuts or industrial use, and those reserved solely for tools. Proper sorting ensures the best approach for crafting each stone. Step 2. Planning the cut. Next comes planning, the most critical step. Using a mix of experience and advanced scanning software, diamond cutters analyze the stone and design the optimal shape that minimizes waste while maximizing beauty. Every decision here affects the final sparkle and value. Step 3. Cutting the diamond. With the plan set, it's time to cut. Depending on the stone, jewelers may use one of 3 techniques: cutting diamond with diamond, using precision lasers, or high-pressure water jets. Each method demands skill and accuracy, as even the slightest misstep could ruin the entire stone. Step 4. Shaping the diamond. Now, the diamond begins to take form. For round shapes, spinning machines grind the stone to symmetrical perfection. For fancy cuts like hearts or ovals, artisans rely on steady hands and years of experience to shape intricate curves and edges with care. Step 5. Polishing the diamond. Polishing is where brilliance is born. Using diamond-coated wheels, craftsmen smooth every facet with pinpoint precision. Modern machines help enhance symmetry and shine, giving the diamond its signature sparkle and fire. Step 6. Final quality check. Lastly, the polished diamond undergoes a thorough quality assessment. Experts inspect its proportions, symmetry, and brilliance, ensuring it meets strict standards before earning its place in a piece of fine jewelry. This journey, from rough to radiant, is what makes each diamond not just a stone, but a story. A fusion of nature, technology, and human artistry, shining brilliantly for generations to come.